Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're doing an update on Quality Dose. Gonna keep it short and sweet. So let's get right into what's going on. So on the TikTok shop and on TikTok organic, we have been shadow banned. We did get one more video that did hit like 500 views, but the rest are hitting like 20 to 50 views, and they've been up for a day or two. We are posting consistently, just one video a day at the moment, testing AI and then testing a mix of my content that I created. Right now, I'm not expecting anything because the listing is dead, but it is just going slow, no sales. And I did decide to start opening up my Shopify store. So we're going to start building that in the next few days. And hopefully, next time you see me, we will have it up and running. And we will be doing cross posting on all the platforms that take reels or short form. So we're going to set that up and just start repurposing the TikTok content for all the other platforms. Shout out Braden for that. I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, we're just going to keep scaling, keep grinding, and try to break through the shadow ban, just posting every single day. I might up the volume to about 2 videos a day for TikTok. I think I should be doing that. Probably will start that tomorrow by just testing new hooks. Really, we have a solid body. We have solid body copy. We have a solid CTA. All the clips are in place, all the images. I just need to test more hooks to see if the algorithm will take anything. I don't know if I was shadow banned because I was using clips from like the Joe Rogan podcast. I see a lot of people do that. It goes viral, no problem. I'm not really sure why I'm shadow banned. It could be because I said shrooms instead of mushrooms. I'm just testing everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, no updates. We are just posting consistently, but that's what is going to happen in this next week. We're going to start the TikTok, or we're going to start the Shopify store, build that up, and start cross posting. That's the plan. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like this one as well. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. Peace.